need to find a previous version of a current Google Sheet document that you're currently working on, then I'm going to show you how easy it is to find and locate this. So all you have to do is open up that Google Sheet document that you have, or the current version that you have, and then click on File on the upper left hand side. Then you want to go down to where it says Version History, and here you'll have the option to name the current version that you have, or you can see the previous version. And alternatively, you can use the shortcut keys Control Alt and Shift H. You can press those and it's going to pop up and show you the same thing that I'm about to show you right here. So here you will be able to see this, for example, in this specific date. You can expand this and you will see what it shows here for those different versions, and you can click on them to see those different versions as well. So depending on whichever version you have for whatever document, you'll be able to find them here. And once you click on that version, you have three dots on the right hand side. You can restore this version of a document, or you can easily make a copy as well. So this is how you can go ahead and find the previous version of your documents in Google Sheets. Very easy and very simple.